I have a bunch of questions, but I think it's a good time to maybe dig into the demo section
Yeah,
because I
let's do
think
it.
some are going to get answered there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this is a super easy demo because Fluency is a really simple product. It's intended to solve a problem in a simple way. It's not intended to be complicated. So essentially, like, this is what our sort of dashboard looks like at the moment. And what you can see here is like every user in your organization, how many partners have been surfaced to them and how many times they've actually engaged with that partner. It also gives you their role. And then when you click on their name, it actually tells you which partner has been surfaced in a conversation, and then how many times that partner has been surfaced and how many times they've actually clicked on it. So you can kind of see like these are all the partners that have ever been surfaced in any conversation I've had. So as a partner manager and organizer is what we call them, you would be able to actually come in here and see, you know, hey, Jesse got an impression. Let's see how many I've got here. Got an impression from, or 3 impressions from Monday. Let's say this was like 5 or 6, right? Like a whole mess of them. But they're not clicking. Like, what's going on there, right? Why are they not clicking on the call to action? And then you can actually go have like an informed decision with this person saying like, is it because the keyword is off? Is it because you've used them before and know how to get a hold of them? Like, what is the deal? Why are they being surfaced to you, but you're not saying anything or doing anything about it? So you can actually see all that information. This is a very simple, settings. Obviously, you can change your organization name. This is where all of our integrations live. So you can see here that Gong is actually like a administrator level. So you can only see it if you're an admin. If I was a user, I would only see Slack, Google Drive, Zoom, and this Chrome extension that we built. And then you can generate an invite link, and this is how you invite people into your organization, your Fluency organization. So that's kind of what like just an organizer sees from the Fluency perspective. And then this is actually what a user would see. So you can kind of see here like Fluency is an app. It does not have sending turned on. And what happens is you finish a call, Fluency will automatically process the transcript. And then if there's a partner match, it literally just sends like, here's the partner, here's what the partner does, and here's that call to action we were talking about. So it gives you kind of the meeting name, the partners, and then, a little bit of context about what to do.
Can you have more than one call to action in there? Like a learn more and something like a refer?
Oh, two of these buttons?
Yeah.
Right now it's just one.
Okay. But they get the high level overview. And then you can have multiple partners. So if 3 partners are brought up in a meeting, you could have all 3.
Yeah. So you can see here that there's like 6 in this one.
Yeah.
And very soon we will actually be giving the keyword that triggered this partner to give a little bit more context. And then in the next several weeks, very short on our roadmap, is actually to give lots of context. So, Qualtrics, this is the keyword that triggered it. Here's why it might be a really good match. And we're giving it a 4 out of 5 stars in matchability.
Oh, cool.
That sort of thing.
That's awesome. Yeah, Monday was one that I was like, that might be tricky. I bet the word Monday comes up.
We're not actually searching for the name of the company.
You're searching for the use case and then recommending
the
it.
problem.
Yep.
That's right. Yep.
That makes sense.
So how all of that would be reflected in the CRM? Is there any connection here from the Slack to CRM? Okay.
Yeah. So because of the bootstrappy nature of this, we are like, if you have an integration use case, we will build it if you sign a paid contract. So we haven't had anybody be like, well, I really need this to be in Salesforce, but I have a Salesforce developer account. We're ready to build an integration like that, but because Salesforce can be integrated in a bajillion different ways, we're just waiting until somebody has like a really compelling use case that they need that information in, and then we can go from there.
And honestly, I think Slack's better. Like, I think salespeople are going to pay attention to a Slack message.
Think, what Dimitri is getting at is more like, if somebody clicks on the referral button, would it record it in Salesforce that somebody had engaged with this partner?
Yeah.
So that there is a record of the partner engagement.
Yeah.
My RevOps mind is just kicking it. And I think a lot of these agencies that you're working with, I think they will look for that as well, because that's how they can prove the valid case to use it.
I could not agree more.